Chief Minister Biren has claimed that the ongoing crisis in Manipur is orchestrated by foreign drug cartels and it is not a war with Kukis community. Chief Minister Biren said this while addressing in the 50th Foundation Day program of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJU, which was held today at Manipur Press Club. Chief Minister paid homage to departed journalists of the state by offering floral tribute at Journalist Memorial Pillar at Manipur Press Club. During the program, Golden Jubilee souvenir and a book titled Know Your Sanctuaries and Wetland were also released. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister Biren stressed on the need for unity during these tough times. While defending his government, the Chief Minister said the present crisis is created by drug cartels from outside, and the government is not against any recognized communities in the state. While speaking about internet ban, Chief Minister Biren said it was necessary to prevent escalation of violence. He urged people to stop spreading unreliable and unconfirmed news or information on social media platforms and to refrain from using provocative messages which could create enmity and tension between communities. Chief Minister Biren in his speech also hinted on lifting the internet ban soon.
Tashingbadi akhoi chungai golan si Kukis golan na mapandagi laiba illegal migrants adu loina drugs mafias si bangbu si tawlagi nadu Manipur gi huji goidaiba adu tungda oi hogudaba kharasi ka khalla kanaba maina state ko dawrubani khoi doyona aranba ka henba kasido jin kadada nate baina election to jesi do even ai gi henga langor white ho mapam khuding da ne to jesi adu one community lo pushing the he hone bi please I give me the friends in Madugi Mayanda Chumpubio, community empty against the walked out day, Roy, I need to my Salaga, I reviewed of the guest, Braham Sosa, or Mayanda once again and I told them say, Kadikumira Masama talk for the head exaggerate Donanaba, inside Donanaba, Madugi Chopona Washington, Tabi Vishina Pulling the Apple of the day, Aduga, Hogoma talk of the Omatanda, anytime CMG of Salaza, or I go, Mantriman Mayan Taro has MLA Taro Narga, Metal to Matamatam, the scope of the Mayam, the Pamega Potoi, Head and give away 100 guys of the